All right, guys, how we doing? VT Maestro here. So, Blizzard of 2017, and it's rolling in this afternoon. This is the calm before the storm. Give you a look around. It's kind of eerie out right now. No wind, no snow. We know 2 feet of snow is coming. Blizzard warning for the Champlain Valley. That means 35-mile-an-hour winds sustained for at least 3 hours with a serious winter storm. Alright guys, let's just take a couple minutes here and talk about being prepared and what to expect in this blizzard, the blizzard of 2017. So they're calling for 2 feet of snow with sustained winds of 35 miles an hour. So that's serious, and in the worst case scenario, and unfortunately, people will probably die in this storm, whether it's in a car crash or some other means. So it makes me think, as a father, as a husband, my main job here is to keep my family safe and to be as well prepared as possible for such an event. And I want to share with you a couple of things that we've done as far as keeping the lights on and being well prepared for the storm. All right, so the Volt's a little dirty here, but she's fully fueled up and all charged up and ready to go here. Also want to show you some things we have here. Got the generator, the tri-fuel generator that I modded about 4 years ago. This thing works great and it's ready to go. I'm going to actually exercise it this morning to just make sure everything's working well on that. Got our fuel here. Got 10 gallons of gas. That's all set to go. And I got a couple propane tanks that are filled up. And the generator will run off those first, and I'll use gas second. Just happens the generator runs a little bit better off the propane. So I'm also going to pull out the snowblower here, gas her up, start her up, and make sure she's running fine. With 2 feet of snow expected, it's going to take some effort here to clear the driveway. And I might have to wait to the end, especially if it's whiteout conditions. Would like to remove a little snow little by little, do it every 4 or 5 hours if I can, but that will all depend on the weather. Alright guys, there we go. We got the storm coming here and just have to wait it out. So keep us in your thoughts and prayers, and we'll check back with you. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you next time.